How to install Chat GPT on Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will see how we can install Chat GPT on Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, launch the Google Play Store in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your Google account. Here, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner and in the search bar, search for Chat GPT. So this is the application that you have to install. I have already installed it, and if you have already installed it and if you see the update button, make sure to update the application. If not installed yet, you will find install button where I have update. Tap on install, then depending upon your internet connection, installation may take some time. Once the installation is complete, then you can open up the application. After that, you may be asked to log in into the account. That's it. That's how you can install Chat GPT on Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.